minus 1 upon x is given as 3. Then find the value of this expression, x raised to the power 7 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7. Now, this expression is given x minus 1 upon x, and it is asked that x raised to the power 7 upon x raised to the minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7. So, from this expression, I can find the squares of this expression, I can find the cubes of this expression, but the expression here which is asked is having the power of 7. So I have to manipulate squares and cubes to get this power 7, and I know 7 can be obtained when I add cubes and some squares, right? So if I add 3 plus 2, I'll get 7. So idea is, if I multiply x raised to the power 3 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 3 into x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4, I will get this expression, right? I will get this expression. How? If I multiply, because from this given expression I can easily find the value of the cubes of this expression. Also I can find the value of power of 4 of this expression, right? If I multiply these two, I will get x cube minus 1 upon x cube into x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 would be, it becomes x raised to the power 7 minus x, it becomes plus 1 upon x minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7. So separate the terms, I can write it as x raised to the power 7 upon 1 upon x raised to the power 7, and if I take minus common, it becomes x minus 1 upon x. So to find the value of x raised to the power 7 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7, it becomes how much? X raised to the power 3 minus 1 upon x raised to the power 3 into x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 plus x minus 1 upon x. So to find the value of this expression, I need the value of these three expressions. This much I know is given as 3. I have to find the value of cubes and power 4 of this expression. Now, let's get back to this expression. If I square this expression, I get x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2. Minus 2 AB means minus 2 is equal to 9. If I take minus 2 to this side, it becomes 9 plus 2, which is 11. If I square this expression again, I get x raised to the power 4, 1 upon x raised to the power 4, and I get it as 121 minus 2, because this is a square b square plus 2ab, and plus 2 goes to this side, becomes minus 2, so I get 119. X raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is 119, so it is 119. I have to find the value of cubes of this expression. So if I take the cube, or I know the a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b cube is, using the identity a cube minus b cube, I know a cube minus b cube is a minus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube plus 3 times a minus b, which is x minus 1 upon x. And I have the value of this expression. So it becomes x minus 1 upon x is 3. 3 cube is 27 plus 3 times x minus 1 upon x is 3. So it becomes 27 plus 9, which is equal to 36. So I get the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube as 36. So it becomes 36. So the value of this expression, x raised to the power 7 minus x raised to the power minus 1 upon x raised to the power 7 would be 36 into 119 plus 3, which is equal to 36 into 119 is 120 into 36, which is 2743. 4320 minus 36, and it is plus 3. So I get the value of this expression as 320 minus 36. So it becomes 428 4284 plus 3, it becomes 4287. So the correct answer to this question is option B, 4287.